Ladies and gentlemen, it's been Malapile here and I'm back with another property tour. Today I have a 2-bed, 1-bath luxury apartment in Isabel estate, situated on the first floor. The estate has 2 communal swimming pools, kids play area, as well as a clubhouse. It's very modern, just built in 2016, and the unit is immaculate. Come on right in. Welcome to Isabel estate. So this is the clubhouse where the first pool is situated. You've got beautifully landscaped common areas throughout the complex, and this is the kitchen. So you have space for 1 undercounter appliance in the kitchen. You've got the stove, the undercounter oven, and the extractor fan. You also have space for a double door fridge if that's the fridge you have. And to the right, it's used as the dining area. You've got the lounge, which leads out to the balcony. And this is the balcony. Nice size. You can have your furniture there or have your brides. It's entirely up to you. And in the house. So this is the shared bathroom. It's a full bathroom with a bath and a shower, tiled throughout, and 2 basins for his and hers. Next up, we've got the main bedroom. So the main is tiled throughout and is in tip-top condition. This apartment needs no fixing, no renovations at all. You just simply buy and move in. So that's the main bedroom. You can fit your queen-size bed there. And as you can see, there's a small work-from-home desk there and the built-in cupboards. More than enough space there. So next we've got the second bedroom. Second bedroom can also fit a queen, but it's up to you what type of bed size you want to use. And you've got also a small space for a desk there, as well as the built-in cupboards as well. Next up, we've got the kids' play area and the common areas. As you can see, very well landscaped common areas. This is the second pool. So there's 2 pools in the complex, one at the clubhouse and another one here. So there's more than enough pools for everyone in the complex. And here we've got the clubhouse. Free to use for any and all residents. You book in advance and you can make use of it. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Isabel Estate. If you'd like to schedule a private viewing of this immaculate unit, click on the link below.